Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael Odiba, and this is my official channel. And if you are new to this channel, I'll be very glad if you just click the subscriber button, bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video. This is my updates. I'll be doing this update every month now, as long as this platform exists. This is 33,000 naira now because of the inflation in naira, in dollar, in naira. Yeah, Nigeria inflation. We had about 720 naira to a dollar. So you understand. So the last time I did this video, I did an update on the 3,000 naira. It was actually something reasonable, but you can see now this update, the difference to dollar to naira has gone up. If you have done this 33,000 last month, by now you will not look for 34,000 thereabout to activate the minimum package on Validos. Now you see 3% weekly, 10% monthly. The 10% monthly I'm going to explain in this video, and I'm going to explain details in everything. Now over $1,000 has been earned so far. Your money is still stuck in the bank and nothing has been done to it. Inflation is going up, prices are going up every day. So guys, I'm not going to waste your time. Let me take you straight to the presentation. This is the month of July. We are in August, and I'm going to share with you full details, everything you need to know with your 36,000 or 34,000. What can this do for you in the next 30 days? What can you do for you now? Validos also offers incentive to every team builder. If you're a team builder, Validos offers you incentives. You understand? Incentives. This is 10% instant bonus on all packages bought by your downlines, your invitees. So those you invite, you get 10%. That is an additional aspect of your official package bought on this platform. You understand? So now I'm just trying to explain so you know. It's not compulsory that you must invite before you earn. Know that it's not compulsory. Now, two, we have network bonus. Validos gives you 10% bonus of the calculated fund invested in your team at the weak leg and the right leg. Now, they also call weak leg. We have what called weak leg. Now, the weak leg is meaning if your leg is $100,000 and the other one is $200,000, the next week you will receive 10% of this money on the weak and the right leg, which is $10,000, and then you subtract that $10,000 from $300,000 for those who are team builders. So the next week one leg will be zero, and the other week one leg will be $100,000. So you understand now. So if it's not, it's just additional to what you do or currently, to what you do immediately on this platform. So it's not something compulsory. It's additional way of earning on Validos. Now we have 4 ways of earning on Validos, and this is the 4 ways. 5. Team reward bonus. Validos says you cannot even earn more than 5 times of your capital even as a team builder. Hence, when you reach 500, you will need to buy a package. Your upline will also get the 10% of the renewal. This is for the sustainable and the preservation of the company. So team renewal bonus, that is how it comes. Now metrics residual income. You will need to purchase $5,000 package and also sponsor a direct team of $15,000. That is how you get metrics residual income on a daily basis. Now number 5, passive 30. And the word is passive 30. I call this my pension. For every team builder, every 30% of your bonus are kept aside and locked for the month of 30 months, and then giving back with a bonus of 300%. I received mine just yesterday. As the month ends, every month I'm getting something from what I have earned from my affiliate. Now rank and reward. We have rank 1 to rank 7. I have explained a video how this rank are structured in this channel. You look forward to the video. It will be on a playlist here. Now, then it's called black diamond. The highest diamond, the highest rank here is called black diamond. When you have the two black diamond, I've explained that they have crown diamond and all of that. Now we have now how to become a member. Now, if you are looking at how do you become a member of Validos, how do your 36,000, 34,000, 33,000 actually activate you to become a member of Validos? Your 36,000, we have 8 packages, can only get you the minimum package, is which is this very one here, $50. That is what your 36,000 naira is going to give you. If you decide to increase your package, it's left for you. You can do it at your own next time. And each of these educational package grant you access to a royal reward. Now, we are not calling investment or not investment. We are getting a royal reward when you do any of these packages. Meaning, for any package you buy, you get 2 to 3% of the package every week, precisely Monday. So yes, today Monday. Today I'm making this video. It's Tuesday already. We got paid on Monday. I got paid yesterday, and I made good work yesterday. So that's just it. Now, this royal reward can be made in two forms. Either you withdraw it weekly or you leave it for a couple of 60 weeks. Now, that couple of 60 weeks means that you are going to be leaving it for your whole time as your investment. You just leave it there. When it gets to 60 weeks, you can naturally withdraw. That is it. Now, or you leave it compounding interest for the next 360 weeks. Now, we can see as I'm doing this video, like the update I had last month is what I'm showing you guys. It's 600 naira to $1 to those who are in Nigeria now. Now, this is it. 33,000 naira gives you 900 for weekly, 4,000 for monthly, and at the end of 60 weeks you have 100,000 and above. That's about $175 and above. Now, this is my testimonies from the last month. I'm going to show you guys brief this testimony. You can see you see this person has made this person has made about, as you can see, made about $320. Me seeing everyone sending their screenshots, I needed to show you guys. This is it. This is testimony, and this money in naira is about 200,000 naira for just 33,000 naira package this person bought. This is one testimony. Now, Validos embrace your dream of financial growth. That is what we do here. Never depend on one single income. That's what we're telling you, because recession is everywhere in the world. Now, this is another testimony that says, that goes this format, you see, and this person is 100. This is just what a reward for the month, and as you can see, this $50 has gone, and I'm seriously taking this serious. And this person has made money. This $50, he has made $100 by the end of 30 days. I'm saying it because you may look at it as a joke, but I'm telling you, you are missing out on this platform. If you're not here, you're missing out. Now, the crazy update is, you can see money has been made so far. Now, this is a $50 account that was registered as of the last month, and this person testimony for this one I'm going to show you guys. You see, a total number of $700 has been made. Now, I want us to walk you guys through the update, the re-update. This is where the re-update comes in. I'm going to show you guys from here. You can see yourself that the screenshot and the crazy amount of money has changed. Now, this is one testimony. This is 268 N so far for the month of July. Now, this is $750 N for the month of July as well. This is 357 N and the month of July. This is a registered account number of $500. I'm going to explain that in the package. I have a picture clear there for you to watch. And this is another account for $50. You understand now? Now, this is another account for $100. You can see the user's names. I just want to cover it for you. for security reasons. These are actually real people doing business with us. So the link to get on board is going to be in the description of this video, and I would love to get to you. Now you can see this is $1,000 package that gives you, at the end of 60 weeks, gives you $35,000, 3,000, sorry, excuse me, 3,500 US dollars at the end of 60 weeks. That is one of the packages. This is another package for $250. That's about 177,000, depending what you are buying the currently rate to naira to dollar. It may go up, but look at what you get at the end of your 60 weeks. Every month you get $25 without doing anything. Every month. So that's just it. I explained details in a video about the packages you return with the video concentrating on just only on this. So you can see this is $10,000, the highest package, $50, which is 33,500. Depending on you are buying it for. If you want to get your USDT, you can actually contact me. I can assist you on getting your USD. We have another package for $3,000, and at the end of that $3,000, you're getting 10,500 US dollars. That's about 7 million naira in Nigeria. You see, we have another package that goes for $100 that gives you $350 at the end, and you're going home with 234,000 naira at the end of it. Now we have another package for $50. So this is just going on and on and on. So guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, bell icon to get notified when I drop a new video, and I would love to hear from you. If you want to get on board on Validos, I'll be very glad to hear from you. Validos is an amazing platform. I'm telling you, these guys are going to stay for a long time. Why not get into it and maximize the opportunity now that is hot and is going to be stay for long? So this is my opinion. This is my review so far on Validos, and I'm enjoying it, and I want you to be part of me. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.